Hey guys, this year I have a lot of grapes. I am so happy. They're about to be ready to be picked. I've had a video showing you guys how to make the production a little bit more productive, I guess, by trimming the vine. This year I got loaded up with them. These are Scuppernons, and they look a little bit translucent or shiny. They gives a little bit. Here, I just picked a few, but they are ready to be eaten. They're super sweet. Some of these are a little bit more green and they're super hard, so they're not ready. So I'm gonna go in and then pick a bunch of these. Look at these, so many, like they're like huge bunches. There's a lot of them. It's so cool. See that? And they're all over. Just want to give you a quick update. So as the season start to get cooler, these gonna get ripen up a little bit more. These are Muscadine. They need some sunlight to get on the fruit to ripen. So these are gonna be ready sometime in October, a little bit later. But yeah, this is a quick update. I hope you enjoy this video and have a lot of grapes.